Hello, family of light. This is Fiona from AwesomeCreekReiki.com and UniversalLoveIgnite.com. And I wanted to bring you a message today from the environment, from the forest here in British Columbia. I'm surrounded by trees right now and a lot of other life, beautiful life, a lot of fungi and moss and lichen and lots of shrubs and ferns. It's really beautiful, and I really feel connected to nature. But many of us are not, and many of us do not know how really to connect. So I just wanted to bring you an activation today that will hopefully help you to connect to nature wherever you might be in the world. And in that way, we can find a great deal of comfort, peace, and stability within our own lives. And this also helps us connect to source and feel a much greater sense of comfort, safety, and a greater beingness, a greater sense of control over our lives in a way that nothing really else can give us. So I would like you to just seat yourself or find a comfortable spot to sit in and take a few slow deep breaths. And on the exhale, just really focus on that exhale and sending out any negative energies, entities, any thoughts, any constraints, any burdens. Just ask them to be lifted and be sent out of your energy field with any help that you feel connected to, any guides you have, ascended masters. And if they can come in and help you and unburden you at this point in time. And we want to fill in the void with some uplifting, positive energies and thoughts and emotions. So a couple more deep breaths here. And allow yourself to feel the fullness of those breaths. Just bring them generously into your lungs. And feel that good energy moving throughout your system, throughout your body, connecting to every cell of your body. And we can also visualize that each molecule of oxygen that we're bringing into our lungs is supercharged with divine energies and positivity and unconditional love. And so bring that into every cell of your body. And if you are open to this and you accept this, just say, yes, I accept the activation that is coming through to connect me to Mother Nature and to my environment. Hukua shiniata, prestutu shiniat, kisanaye sinerate, puruvambarashtorote, kirasanaye, kulushanat, keresporoto, kianahane, esprastanati kiat, kuluehisanaye. And just visualize those roots, beautiful golden energetic roots coming down out of your feet, out of every one of your chakras, growing like a vine, and down out of your feet, roots down into Mother Nature, and connecting you through your heart to Mother Nature. And this might come in the form of connecting to other energies in nature, such as the elementals or other elements, air or water or earth. It could connect you in a deeper sense to a particular animal or plant. So just be open to these possibilities next time you go out in nature. And allow yourself to breathe deeply. Breathe in the energies of Mother Earth. And feel the connection through your feet. Allow yourself to listen to the sounds of nature, as well as to feel what the trees, what the shrubs, what the ferns, what the grass is giving you in terms of their loving energy. And although this might be subtle, as you continue to practice this openness and the stillness and this receptiveness, so you will feel more grounded, you'll feel a greater sense of stability, a greater sense of peace, and also a greater connectedness. It is important for you also to share this with others. And I think you will find it surprising that there are many more people than you would think who are already undergoing this greater awareness and this greater awakening around them. You're not the only one who is waking up and tapping in and tuning in to Mother Nature and higher energies, higher frequencies, higher consciousness around you. So allow yourself to feel gratitude. And the more you feel the gratitude for any connection you make, the greater your connection will ultimately be. Upurustonote, ikanasanate eshinai, opuashi voseneita, kerestenoto hikiasikanto, ebarasnanais, ikanashiita, everes porostotoshnia sinikai sakorot. Upurushunia sini, evis parasnanaki eshidarasirako shiniata sarasanamote, abarasani oti kerasani yashini oti kaasaiu, eboroshini sini, ina sanai karashanai poroto, akarashi kiresaniti, eboshi, evo shanai sene sineteit, ikarasanai. Arohuanasai shine sitabrasaiat. Whoa, connection to all the elements of Mother Nature. It has been like a portal, that light language that came through now, that is also functions as a portal into the energies of the elements of Mother Earth, air, water, fire, and earth. And it also connects with peace. There's so much peace in that. But the connection, the portal is open for you at any time that you want to open that and step in and go through and explore. Thank you for joining me. And I'll see you next time. This is Fiona from MossomCreekReiki.com and UniversalLoveIgnite.com. Till next time.